Well, folks, welcome back to an impromptu episode of Feeder Country. Today we are out here riding vintage snowmobiles. We got a 1978 Arctic Cat Panther. It's 500cc, air-cooled. And this is Frosty's personal favorite sled. It's a Bravo. It's 80-something. When he's done struggling here, he'll tell you what it is.
That's a 1983 Yamaha Bravo BR250F or G. I can't remember the model.
He just recently put a longer track on it here. Yeah, just added a longer track on.
From
First
98 inches to 121.
From 98 inches to 121. First ride on it. Well, here's our first challenge. Let's see if we can make it up. Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Doing well.
Nice, good day for that.
Right?
Dozen classics.
Going directly up a hill. Well, I gotta say, the Bravo long truck, I can already feel it better on snow. But,
That's nice. You can't do that with the new one. Just pick it up and drag it. Hold up. Oh man, it's got a weird throttle. If you just pin it out of nowhere, it bogs out. Oh, the back end kind of slides. This is too much fun. Try to get Frosty on the pass. Yeah! Oh, dude, it's knee deep.
it's really bogging me down.
Is it? I'm hooking up so good.
I bet.
Dude, the back end slides. If you go full pin, it bogs. Bad. Falls right on space.
Main jet, no good.
80% throttle, loves it.
It rips.
Uh-huh.
It's like crazy how fast it is.
I'm having a blast. Watercross! Oh! Oh! Yeah! Woo! Oh, water! Oh, look at that Bravo rip! Yeah! You know, now I've been riding for a few minutes. It'd be nice if this brake lever was down. You kind of got to like take your hand off to get the brakes. Pretty much no brakes. All right, let's go for a max speed here. Oh! We should get off trail soon.
Okay.
I feel like I'm beating it up on the whoops.
I hear ya.
Whoa! This is fun. Oh, this is just to the bars. Got him on the path. Wow. Oh, that is something else. First stuck of the day. I know, I saw it and I was like, oh, I better carry some speed, and then Duke.
Oh, it is deep. Oh yeah, you're in a wall here.
Yeah, we gotta kick that
Ooh,
down.
she's warm.
Oh yeah, I'm not surprised. We might have to run the Polaris technique, let them cool down every 10 minutes.
Say maybe pop the hood. Cause it's hot up here. It just smells hot too when you drive by.
I mean, she's being fed.
But it's also very old. So.
She is being fed aggressively.
Well, I know. I feed her, and I'm like, well, smells a little funny, but it's running great. Yeah, I think the warmer weather, the main jet does not like it.
No, yeah, it just
But when it's colder out, it runs way better.
Really?
So let's see. That probably means that it's just too rich on top, way up top. Because you want it to be richer for a colder day. So when it gets real cold, it's fucking pretty good. But a day like today, yeah. But there's also like, you'll find that you may get on some like clean track shit and like throttle up just the right way, and not all the way to full throttle, but like 95, and it runs pretty good up until like a certain point.
Yeah.
You have to maybe back off a little. But I don't know. I haven't ridden it in here either. Let's both be back here.
You think we can push it on the snow?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. No, I thought it would slide a little.
No way. What if we just toss it over here in the better snow? And give it a little ski pull.
A lot of manzanita.
Kick down this. Cool. The 420 beast. Go full pin in the soft snow, or like the equivalent. It kind of slips. Here we go. Nice straight shot. in some steeper and deeper terrain. You know, if you've got a chance to ride one of these older sleds, I'd say you gotta do it. So I think if we go that way, it'll get deeper maybe, eventually. Oh, we get a little elevation gain here. If you take the steepness out of the hill, you can get up anything. Oh no! Oh yes! No way! Oh my goodness! We gotta take a little break, let the Panther cool down. She's getting hot. You can feel the belt not gripping as well. Look at her just sits in the snow. Oh yes. Oh, this front end puts the new sled to shame. It's like a 22-inch stance. Oh, yes! Look at this hill! Oh! Alright, who's gonna get up the hill? The highest! Oh! Yeah! Oh, that was so good! Yes! Yes! Oh, so good!
You were kind of in my line.
Oh, I was by the tree.
Well, I was gonna go that way, but then I just decided to shoot.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it was playing PNC the whole time.
Yes!
Well, Ben got her nice and stuck here.
Always too greedy.
So close though. I mean, he would have had it.
I know.
Oh man, she's a mean machine. 42 years old.
Straight feeder.
Unreal. I guess we'll get her unstuck. Maybe try again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I know my out this time.
Yeah, let's see how she goes. All right, 1978, coming in hot. Man, that thing looks good. Like a bumper car from the carnival. And he's out clean.
Yours sounds great too. Yeah, that's what it sounds like. So I know you guys got under seat bags, but do you have full seat bags? I didn't think so.
Hang on, I can smell you burning up the belt. Something's going on.
She needs a break.
Yeah, or she's just like stuck open.
Well, the Sex Panther was running great until it decided to stop pulling fuel. So here we are.
On a hillside.
On a hillside.
With not getting any fuel to the cylinders.
And we don't really know how far away from the house we are. It's okay. It's all good.
The Bravo runs though. We can 2-man 1 Bravo all the way
Bravo
home
runs
if we
great.
have to. Well, we'll start pulling some shit off and see if we can't figure out. I think the pickup just fell off in the gas tank. Maybe I've got some extra line from my overflow on the Bravo. We might be able to, if we can fish out the little grommet here, maybe we can attach a hose again and get it to where we're back down in the fuel.
We got the Panther running again up here. Tech 8. Never been here before. Pretty beautiful. Whoa. Hey, well, thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Feeder Country. I know in one of my videos y'all said 2,000